Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to share with you a nonfiction book about birds. Nonfiction is a book where the writer shares with us facts and information. So today's nonfiction book is about sharing information about birds. My book is called Birds by Jonis, a first discovery book. Birds are beautiful to watch. A few flaps of their wings and off they fly. The fun thing about this book is it has a see-through cover underneath. The bird's lightweight skeleton helps it fly. Many of its bones are hollow. Beaks come in many different shapes and sizes. Each shape helps the bird gather the kind of food it likes to eat. The pelican scoops up fish in its large beak, right here. The scarlet ibis spears frogs and small animals with its sharp beak. Some birds have webbed feet for swimming in the water. Birds are covered by feathers. As old feathers fall out, they're replaced by new ones. You can sometimes identify a bird by looking at its feathers. And here's a bunch of different feathers here. And here are the bird's feathers: parrot, seagull, and jackdaw. Most birds build their nests the same way as their parents did, but some, such as the yellow warbler, lay their eggs in other birds' nests. Each bird's nest looks different. This is the yellow warbler, a barn swallow, a weaver bird, and a stork. Birds lay their eggs and raise their young in nests. Let's see what's behind this page. A nest. Nests are often hidden and hard to see. Birds sometimes build their nests in birdhouses that people provide. This chickadee has built its nest in someone's mailbox. Let's see. And birds sometimes build their nests in birdhouses that people provide. This chickadee has built its nest in someone's mailbox, and here are the babies. Male and female redstarts take turns feeding grubs to their babies. Grubs are like worms. The baby birds have to eat every few minutes. Male and female redstarts take turns. There she's feeding. Who sleeps during the day and hunts for mice and other animals in the dark of night? A bird called the, did you guess it? It's the owl. The male peacock's feathers are more brightly colored than the female's. The spectacular male peacock spreads his brilliant tail feathers to attract the female. The female is called a peahen. She is smaller and does not have a brightly colored train. So this is the male peacock. To protect themselves from enemies, many birds have feathers that blend in with their surroundings. The ptarmigan even changes color in the winter to blend in with the snow. In autumn, when the weather turns cool, some birds fly south to warmer climates. Each breed of bird travels in its own formation. See, like the geese are traveling in a V. Storks and swallows and crows. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. The smallest is the hummingbird, right here. An ostrich can weigh up to 300 pounds, and some hummingbirds weigh less than 1 ounce. There are more than 9,000 kinds of birds. Most are a great help to people. Some, like sparrows, robins, and bluebirds, help farmers by eating insects that feed on their crops. Others, like parakeets and canaries, are pets whose singing brings joy to their owners. The end. So boys and girls, thank you for listening to my nonfiction book about birds. I just wanted to show you a couple of fun things we're going to be doing this week. One of our projects is making binoculars. And your mom and dad will have the directions on what to do. These binoculars you can use to look at birds, maybe take them to your sit spot and watch the birds and animals with your binoculars. The last thing I wanted to show you today is my bird watch tally sheet. I want you to think about maybe bringing this to your sit spot with your binoculars. At the top, you would write your name, and on each of the sheet here, you can see there's a bird sitting, a bird walking, a bird flying, a bird eating, a nest, and a bird singing. What I want you to do is make a mark. It's called a tally mark when you see a bird. If you see a bird singing, you would make a mark. A tally mark is a way of counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tally marks are useful for a way of counting, and your mom and dad can help you with it. I hope you had fun today learning about birds, and we have a lot of exciting things to show you. Take care.